Okay, hello, welcome to part 15, I'm pretty sure. Today we're going to be learning about badges, sounds, and videos. So I'll do badges last, also going to be timestamps like in every video. So let's start off with sound. So I have a sound here. Okay, I'm going to delete it. So if you want to find the sound, just go to toolbox, search audio, or make sure it filters audio, and then just search for anything you want. I'm gonna use this one. I really have no creativity, so I just use this one. I'm gonna name this to sound. Obviously you can make a sound, so you can also make a sound, and then you will have your, if you created a sound, you will have the ID copied and you will paste it inside the sound ID like this. So that's how you can get a sound. So actually playing it, so to play it, I'm gonna create a script in service. So script play sound. I'm gonna reference my sound equals game get service sound service and colon wait for child sound. So I'm gonna get the sound object. I'm also gonna make this looped, so when I play it, it's gonna play forever, looping. So sound. So to play a sound, you just do colon play. To stop the sound, you do colon stop. Pretty simple, yeah. I'm pretty sure there is also sound pause. Yeah, there's sound pause and resume. So pauses it at a certain point, and resumes it at a certain point. So there's also these properties, sound dot it's dot complete, that's no ended. So when the sound ends, it's gonna connect to that function. Loaded, that's an interesting one. So paused, played, did loop, so when it looped, resumed, stopped. So all of these are self-explanatory, you can check over them yourselves. So sound colon play, it's gonna play the sound. Yes, okay. Videos are very similar, so that sounds. Now, pretty sure you can't upload your own videos, you just have to choose videos. So I'm gonna make a little screen, so part. I'm gonna scale it. Okay, I'm gonna do a surface UI. Or I think it's a video frame, but first we need a surface UI. So surface UI is just a GUI on a surface. I'll teach you about it in my GUI series, or when I teach about GUIs. So I'm gonna do face right. I'm adding a frame here. I'm gonna make the size 1,0,1,0, so it fills up the entire ring, and add a video frame. Also size 1,0,1,0. Oh, oops, I need the syntax. My bad. 1,0,1,0. I'm gonna make this background transparency one just in case. Okay, so video frame. So the video frame has a variable for the video. So I'm gonna choose a video Subloxicola. It puts it automatically there. I actually think it's gonna play right away when we join. Or not. Okay, so to play a video, I'm gonna create script inside video frame. Okay, task.wait, so we load in. Actually, it's gonna be looping. I'm gonna make it so it loops. So video is equal to, oh, I think you put the ID in here, so I'm gonna copy the ID. I don't think you have to put a video frame here, but I'm pretty sure you do, so I don't know. So that's our video. Volume 1, I'm gonna put it so it's looped, and to play a video, it's pretty much the same thing. Script up parent play, and it has all the pause, stop, and all the same events. So it also has sound. and that's videos. They're pretty cool. Definitely. I think you can only have like 2 videos max per world. I'm not too sure, but let's see. Okay, I think we're gonna get a warning. Output. At most 2 videos can play simultaneously. So I think if these end, that is gonna start. Or not, because they're looped. So yeah, only 2 videos max. I'm pretty sure it used to be 3, I'm not too sure. But yeah, so this is how you can play videos. Obviously you can choose any video I want. Okay, so now let's move on to badges. Everyone knows what badges are. So if I go to my profile, loading a long time, okay, and I go to player badges. So these are badges, and all of these are the recent games I made. I made them for my recent game. First time actually using badges in there. So yeah, it pretty much just, so yeah, this is a badge. I don't know what to say. So it's a good way to get play. No, well, it's not a good way to get players in your game, but it can attract players in your game, and it's just kind of fun to make them. So to make a badge, press create. Go to badges, and now choose your experience. So scripting tutorials, and go to associated items. What is question? Okay, I have no idea. Associated items, badges, create a badge. You can only get 5 badges per day for free, but you can pay on 100 Robux for additional badges, but not really worth it to be honest. So name, I'm actually gonna do example badge, description for a video. You have to upload the image, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I just uploaded my channel icon profile picture. So create badge. Okay, click on your badge, copy the ID. It's the second ID. The first ID is your experience ID, so copy your ID. Also shows description. You can change stuff in basic settings. And let's make a script. Rename badge. So local badge ID is equal to, let's make it so when you touch a block it gives you the badge show part. I'm gonna make it like something like this. Let's make it neon, so like a OB or something, not, I don't know. Can glide off, anchor on, local part equals workspace dot part. So you don't actually have to game the workspace, it's just good practice to do so. I just wanted to show that off. So game the workspace dot part. Actually, I'm gonna do wait for child part just in case it doesn't load in. Actually, and I also need to get the badge service. So local badge service equals game get service badge service. So everything, wait, what was that? Browser, oh, browser is okay. Anyways, and to award them badge, you first want to do, actually I'm gonna make a function, so part.touch connect function, hit local, I'm gonna do humanoid equals, actually I'm gonna character, char equals hit dot parent, if not char then return. And so pretty much I'm getting the character. Oh, actually I need to do if char find for child humanoid. So pretty much what I'm doing is I'm making a variable for the character, so anything that touches it, it's just gonna be hit the parent. I'm gonna try to find the humanoid inside it to make sure it's a character. But I'm also putting a note here, so if I can't find the humanoid, then I'm returning, so exiting this function. So I can write anything here below, and it will 100% run and just character. So I'm gonna also make a local player right away. Local player equals char dot. Actually, I need to do. I'm gonna show a new function. So game get service player. So it's get player from character. So it just gets the player from the character. You pop in the character and boom. So to award a badge, I'm first gonna check if the player has a badge. So if badge is colon, it says it has, let me find it really quick. So user has badge async, you're gonna put in their user ID, so player.user ID, and then your badge ID number, so badge ID, then return. And so if the player has the badge, I'm not gonna run any code though, so obviously it can fail as well. So if, and now I'm gonna give the player the badge, so badge service colon award badge user ID. I thought it was gonna be player, but I think to change it or something, I don't know. Player dot user ID and the badge ID. So this will give me the badge if I step on it. As you can see, I got a badge. Actually, I'm gonna print player already has badge, and then print awarded badge. So now I can see if I have a badge or not. Looks like I already have it. So that's badges. Obviously you can just do then you can I don't know, kick the player out of a room or something, I don't know. So here you can just give the player a sword or something if they have a badge. But yeah, that's everything about badges, sounds, videos. So yeah, I'm not sure I'm gonna teach in the next part. I'll probably insert another voice clip or put it in the comments if I forget to do the voice clip. So yeah, stay tuned, goodbye. So in the next episode we're gonna learn about coroutines and module scripts. So yeah.